Hi, Stephen here from INEXTERIORS Painters and Decorators, and you're watching INEXTERIORS TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sand down an exterior door. Let's do this. What I'm using to sand the door is some good quality 80 grit sandpaper. If you would like to purchase some, please click on the link in the description below. What I did first there was just sand the door edges so I can shut the door and sand it so the dust isn't blowing inside the house. What I like to do is sand all the panels first. I basically sand it the same way I paint it. I'm not trying to sand it back to bare wood, I'm just literally giving it a good sand over and a good smooth off and a good key up ready for the undercoat. If you would like to know how I fold my sandpaper, please click on the card above in the top right hand corner. On the weatherboard here, the paint is peeling off. If you want to watch a video on how to repair peeling paint, please click on the card in the top right hand corner. And that, guys, is how you sand down an exterior door. If you've got anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you want to be notified of any future videos, please hit that notification bell. And please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Take care now.